Troy coming to you from Island Pool Services. I just want to talk to you a little bit today about how much pool service costs. At Island Pool Services, that's probably our number one question. We get it all the time. How much is it going to cost for me to take care of my pool? How much is it going to cost for me to maintain my pool? So we're going to talk about that today. Give you some insights on what to expect to maintain your pool. So number one thing that most people do for their pool is they open it. So you got to open your pool to be able to swim in it. So a simple opening can start as cheap as $150, and then that goes all the way up to a full service opening that can cost over $400. So the big differences there are a simple pool opening, you're going to take your cover off and get your pump and filter up and running, and then they're done. We like to offer the full service opening because we want you to be able to swim. So our full service opening includes 2 cleanings. The first cleaning at the opening as well as a follow-up visit. We call it a go back. And then chemicals can be included. Sometimes they are, sometimes they aren't, depending on what you choose. And then another common question is, what about weekly maintenance, Troy? How much does that cost? So weekly maintenance can be as cheap as $80, typically not including chemicals, all the way up to $135, and that's going to include chemicals. It depends on the size of your pool and how many pumps and filters that you have. There's quite a few variables there. But you know, some people want to take care of their own chemicals and they just want us to vacuum the pool, and you know, there's a wide variety, but that gives you an idea of how much weekly maintenance costs. And then typically towards the end of the season, you're going to close your pool. So people want to know, how much do pool closings cost? Well, if you just want us to come out and put your cover on, typically that's going to be around $100. And but if you want a full service closing where it's a worry-free winter, you know, those can range from $250 to $350 depending on the size of your pool. Pool closing kits, there's some variables there, but that gives you an idea. And we also offer contracts, and that can help you have a set amount, so there's no confusion on this much chemical or this much salt or anything like that. It's a set price, so you know exactly what you're getting and how much it's going to be. So I just wanted to come by today and let you know how much pool service costs. All right, we'll talk to you soon.